Good morning, BUS 7999 Advanced Statistics students. This is your teacher, Rich, talking. Okay, so now we are starting our 11th week today, which is the 12th or the 13th of April. So the way I see it, we have 5 more weeks of regular school, and then after that, you get your final exam week. Okay, so in the next 5 weeks, we're going to go over a lot. But starting next week, beginning today, and due next Sunday, we're going to go into the three-way ANOVA. Bum, bum, bum. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, three-way ANOVA. It's on the Moodle. But before you do that, I want all of you students of mine to go back and look at how I did number 8. Okay, some of your write-offs, some of your write-ups weren't quite accurate, or your conclusions weren't written up specific enough. So I want you to look at the example that I put up here and watch the videos, of course, if you haven't watched them already, on how I did it. Now, with this one, with this upcoming week homework number 9, the three-way ANOVA, what I want you to do is to be very, very precise, okay? The scenario is that you're a consultant for Frito-Lay, and I want you to read the little data points about how much money they make. They're a very, very successful company. That one down here. Here's a three-way variance of source table if you were going to do it by hand, but I am not going to make you do it by hand. There are a few teachers on this campus that will, but I will not. Okay, we're going to be strictly SPSS from here on out. Here is an ANOVA video that is done by hand, and it's got some little, what I call Easter eggs in there. It's got some zombie references that should make you laugh. It's a zombie thing, so. But yeah, please watch the video on how to do it by hand. You're going to see a lot of repeated processes. It's the same process. It's just the bracket terms are calculated differently. But once you get to bracket terms, you use them to find the sum of squares, degrees of freedom, mean squares, which always calculate to be your F's. Okay, so that's the three-way ANOVA. And with that, remember, you're looking for interaction between all possible variables. So there's a lot that could happen with 3 IVs, grouping IVs, okay? So I'm going to show you what the homework assignment looks like. Right? They make a lot of money. I did not know this, but every one of their major brand names of chips, like Fritos or Doritos or whatever, Cheetos or whatever they are, each one of them, each brand name brings in $1 billion sales. That is a lot of chips. So the questions, I've lined them up as if you guys were consultants. I expect you guys to be consultants. You're going to write this up as professionally as possible because I want you guys to get jobs after you graduate. Okay, so it just breaks it down step by step. Every question that I want answered. So please write it up. You know, again, everything in APA formatting. If you're going to mention there's a significant difference somewhere, you need to put the means and the standard deviations or the F scores, right? The F parentheses 2 comma 36 close parentheses equals something something, right? Use APA formatting. I'm going to have to start getting a bit heavy-handed on that. You guys need to practice that. And just answer all the questions, okay? And there's the data. So that's a lot of work, I know. But like always, don't forget to take the quiz. There's not many questions in there, and just keep taking it until you get them all right. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. MJZ, out.